Welcome to this RHCE EX294 preparation video. In this session, we'll walk through 5 realistic and exam-aligned Ansible tasks you may encounter during the exam. From logical volume creation, user management with vaults to hardware reporting using facts. Everything is covered in one complete lab. Let's begin with Task 1. In Task 1, we'll create a logical volume using Ansible. If the volume group doesn't exist, we show a message. If it can't accommodate 1,500 megabytes, we fall back to 800 megabytes. Task 2 requires you to create users from an external YAML file, apply vault-protected passwords, and use conditions based on their job role and host group. Task 3. Rekey an encrypted vault file. The old password is curabiti, and the new password is nuver. This updates the vault's encryption key without decrypting the contents. Task 4. We modify the /etc issue file to display an environment label. On dev machines, it says development. On test, it says test. And on prod, it's production. Task 5. We generate a file /root hwreport.txt on each managed host. It contains hostname, BIOS version, memory size, and disk sizes for VDA and VDB. If a device doesn't exist, the value is set to none. That wraps up all 5 RHCE EX294 practice tasks. Each of these examples covers a critical concept you'll face in the real EX294 RHCE exam, from conditionals to facts to working with Ansible Vault. Practice hands-on, and remember to use syntax check before running any playbook. Want more actual exam-like task-based practice questions? Visit CertBoosters website now. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Good luck on your exam.